Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. Students, in last lecture we did past papers of coordinate geometry question number 2 which came in October-November 2012 paper 2-3. Today we are going to do question number 3. This question came in May-June 2013 paper 2-2 and the question is, you can see on your screen, solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. The points A -6, 2, B 2, 6 and C are the vertices of a triangle. Find the equation of the line AB in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So it is very easy question. Just take part number 1. A is -6, 2, B is 2, 6. First we have to find the gradient of AB. M stands for gradient. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus plus x1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 to the 8. 1 upon 2. Now write the equation of the line. We always use y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1, or we can use y is equals to mx plus c. So if you apply any equation, you will get the same answer. So y is equals to m is 1 upon 2x plus c. Now you need the value of c. So satisfy this equation by any one of the coordinate a or b. I am satisfy this equation by 2 minus 6 2. So 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 6 plus c. So 2 is equals to 2 into 3 minus 3 plus c, or 2 plus 3 is 5 is equals to c. Hence the equation of AB 1 upon 2x plus c, where c is 5. So this is the requirement of the question. You can see again the requirement. Find the equation of the line AB in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. It means y should be the subject. So here y is the subject. Now see part 2. Given that angle ABC is 90 degree, find the equation of BC. Very easy. So according to question part 2, angle ABC, you can say this is A, this is B and this is C. According to question, B is the right angle, and the requirement of the question is, you can see again, find the equation of BC. So in order to find the equation of BC, you need the gradient of BC. As you can see, line AB and line BC both are perpendicular, and you know that the gradient of AB, which we have find in previous part, 1 upon 2. Therefore the gradient of BC should be negative reciprocal of AB, that is minus 2, because if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is -1. Now take the point B. What is point B in the given question? 2, 6. Now apply the formula of y minus y1, y minus 6 is equals to m's time x minus x1. So y minus 6 is equals to minus 2x minus plus 4 plus 4, or you can write y is equals to minus 2x minus 6 plus 4 is plus 10. This is the answer of part 2. This is the equation of line BC. See the last part. Given that the length of AC is 10 units, find the coordinates of each of the two possible positions of point C. Very easy. First, write the coordinates of A. This is part 3. Coordinate of A is minus 6 comma 2, and we don't have coordinate of C, so assign the name of coordinates of C is xy. According to question, find the distance of AC first. This is the first step. So x2 minus x1 is whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. In the question, the value of AC is given 10. Now x plus 6 whole square, x square plus 12x plus 36 plus, put the value of y in from the equation of BC. You can see on your screen y equals to minus 2x plus 10. So replace this y by minus 2x plus 10, and minus 2 is already present, whole square, and take the square on both sides, so square and root cancel, and this is 10 square. 10 square is 100. Hope you understand. X square plus 12x plus 36 plus minus 2x, 10 minus 2 is positive 8 whole square. Now 100 is equals to x square plus 12x plus 36 plus, expand this, minus 2x square is 4x square, 2 to the 4, 4 8 is 32x, 8 square is 64. Now simplify this equation. X square and 4x square is 5x square. 32 minus 12 is 20x. Now see this carefully. 64 and 36, this 64, this 36 is 100. This 100 cancel by this 100. Okay, hope you understand. And on left hand side there is 0. Now take 5x is common from both. It is x negative 4 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. So two values of x. Put these two values of x in the equation of line BC, the answer of part 2, that is y equals to minus 2x plus 10. So y is equals to minus 2x plus 10. Y is equals to minus 2x 0 plus 10, and y is equals to minus 2x. X is 4 plus 10. So y is equals to 200, y is 10. 2 for the 8, minus 8 plus 2 is y is equals to 2. Hence the coordinate of CR, when x is 0, then y is 10, or when x is 4, y is 2. This is the final answer. 0, 10 and 4, 2. Hope you understand entire question number 3. The part 3 was very interesting. Given that the length of AC is 10 units, find the coordinates of each of the two possible positions of point C. So first we use the distance formula and then put the value of equation of BC in distance formula, and then make the quadratic equation, solve the quadratic equation to get two values of x, and put these two values of x in the equation of BC to get the value of y. So our final answer is C is 0, 10 and C is 4, 2. Hope you understand this question, and this is our today's class. In next lecture we will do question number 4, which came in October-November 2013, paper 2-3. And I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.